Away they go, Danish Minstrel, Ruby Gentry from the outside, Tigerific, Ruby Gentry, in between runners, Something New, and running a port by Sound to Lines, Danish Minstrel, Storm Play. Moving up is Madam Leonora, entry number 7, Apo, Papatod, Abun's Ratio, charge forward, third last, Janet Lynn, and Magic Q. And ring the far turn, Something New by Hapaland, followed now by Ruby Gentry, 1A, Tigerific, then here comes Danish Minstrel, and entry number 6, Storm Play, as they race the final corner, 1A, Ruby Gentry is now the leader. Something New, Danori inside, fighting back. Ruby Gentry by about half length, followed by Something New. Danish Minstrel on the outside, Storm Play, and nearing the finish line, 1A, Ruby Gentry. And finally, 1A, Ruby Gentry, Storm Play, Something New, Danish Minstrel, Madam Leonora, Pentafecta.
1